Big Ben chimes, it can mean only one thing, and that is 1, 3, 2, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Year 2012, what a year it will be! Look at the fireworks going out of Big Ben! It is so magical, magical! So, there are a lot of great stuff happening. Now it is 2012. Let's see, we've got the Olympics, we've got Grand Theft Auto 5, we've got the Euro 2012, what else? Have I said GTA 5? Yes, I have. Grand Theft Auto 5? Soon! Gonna be such a good year. So, I better stop soon before the music starts. Oh, there we go. I'll have a fun... I hope you enjoyed 2012.